Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your HP Smart Tank printer of any model is printing blank pages instead of your documents. And the first thing I want to tell you that usually print quality gets worse gradually. For example, one color may disappear or lines start appearing on your pages and so on. So if yesterday your printer printed perfectly and today you've got the blank pages, first of all, try to print something from a different device or maybe from different application on your PC or smartphone, or even try to print a different file. Maybe the problem is there. But anyway, we can look for the problem in the printer itself and try to fix it with HP Smart application, and that's what we're going to do. Let's get in. So it's impossible to set up this printer without HP Smart application, so I suppose it's installed on your smartphone or computer, and the problem solution is about the same on any device. What you need is open the application, make sure your smartphone or PC or Mac is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your printer, and tap on the printer's image over here to enter settings, and then scroll down to print quality tools. What you need here is clean Printhead, so just tap on that and we'll wait for the process to be completed. When it's finished, the printer will give you this page to check the print quality. So my printer is pretty fine and the page is absolutely alright, but if your page is still blank or some colors are missing here, you need to perform one more Printhead cleaning, level 2. To do this, go back from this menu and find Advanced Settings. At the bottom, tap on that, and it takes you to the printer's web interface in your default web browser, so hit OK to enter this interface, and select Tools, then find Utilities, and go to Print Quality toolbox. Once again, tap on Clean Printhead and wait for the process to complete. And once you've got this page to check the print quality, you can see level 2 cleaning button appeared here. So run level 2 cleaning right away. And also this printer has level 3 cleaning. So you can run all three processes, and if you're still not satisfied with the printing quality or the pages are still blank like this, let's try one more method. Probably something is wrong with your printer firmware, so I recommend you to check for updates to fix your problem. So what you need is find and printer updates right under print quality toolbox. So updates, tap on firmware updates, and to complete this action you need to enter the printer's pin code in this field. This pin code you can find inside of the printer, so you need to open the ink access door and look at the product label over here. You can see pin code. So enter that pin code in this field and submit it. Now let's zoom out a little bit with our fingers and find the Check Now button, tap on that and wait for a while. So my printer is up to date, but if you have some updates to install, just do it and try to print something once again. And the last resort is hard reset. If you're pretty sure that the problem is with the printer itself, you can reset the settings, set it up from scratch, and check if your problem is solved. So to hard reset the printer, you need to open the ink access door like this. Then press and hold the information button until all buttons light up on the control panel, like this. And then press and hold information and cancel button until you see blinking Wi-Fi button over here. So it's about 6 seconds. That's it. So release the buttons, close the door, and wait until the printer restarts and resets. Then reconnect it using HP Smart application. Somebody might also advise you to buy printhead cleaning tools somewhere on Amazon and try to clean the printheads manually by yourself. But I wouldn't recommend you to do this because it's high risk of damaging your printer, potentially voiding your warranty or even make things better to the point where you need to replace some parts. And the result is not guaranteed anyway. You don't know where the problem is. Maybe it's not in the printheads, maybe it's in some other part, for example the printer's chipset. So in this case, if none of methods from my video helped you, I recommend you to take the printer to the service center. However, I hope your printer is all right now and it does its job very well. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us. Any questions, comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye guys.